Today we are going to make paper mache clay. Step 1. Take a bowl with some water. Step 2. Cut one newspaper page into small pieces and dip them in the water. Make sure they are fully immersed and leave them for 2 hours. Also dip some multani mitti or fuller's earth lumps in water for the same time. Step 3. After 2 hours, take the newspaper pieces out of water and make sure to squeeze all water out of it. It should form a ball. Put it in a dry container. Step 4. Break the ball into small pieces with hands and start mashing. You can add some water if it feels too dry. Step 5. Now squeeze all the water out of the mashed mixture to form a ball again. Put it in a separate container. Step 6. Break the ball into small pieces with hands. And start adding the dipped multani mitti or fuller's earth to the mixture. Step 7. Knead the mixture properly till it gives the consistency of a clay. You can add some water if it feels too dry. Now it is ready to make different craft items. Step 8. Clay can be stored in plastic seal for 2 months. If it feels dry, you can add some water and knead the mixture again properly.
Subscribe if you are new to the channel. You can also follow us on Instagram. Link provided in the description.